actually pretty cool. I'm gonna warn you right off the bat that the instructions are not very helpful. Basically, it's taller than I thought it would be, but you can adjust the TV. All you gotta do is unhook the TV and take it down, and then these little guys, this in the back is adjustable up and down, so you've got room to adjust it wherever you want it. It has a fancy little shelf on the bottom for your laptop, and it has this up here, which is perfect for holding your remote. The wheels do lock, but it rolls around perfectly, and the whole point of getting it for our house was to avoid mounting TVs all over the house. So I can take this from the bathroom if I want to take a bubble bath by my desk when I'm working, or in front of the fireplace room if I'm in there in front of the fire during the winter. So it serves its purpose for what we wanted it for, and I think my husband is going to be happy that I'll stop putting holes all over the house. I will have this bad boy linked in the description down below. Thanks for watching, and please check out some more of my videos if you want to see more reviews. Like, comment, subscribe, do all the things. I appreciate it.